Each label we print, each character we place, is more than just a product. It's the result of precision, patience, and care in every step of the process. For us, printing is not just a job, it's a commitment to detail and a source of pride. Let's take you behind the scenes of how we turn a design file into a fully finished label, one that's ready to represent your brand with confidence. 1. Receiving and reviewing client files. Once we receive the artwork file from the client, we carefully open and review all content: text, images, barcodes, dimensions, and layout accuracy. If anything is missing or inconsistent, we contact the client immediately to request additional information and ensure complete accuracy. 2. Layout, design, and print preparation. Simultaneously, we begin the layout process, arranging the design to match the printing sheet, adjusting margins, spacing for cutting, and version codes if needed. Everything follows printing standards to prevent cutting errors or misaligned designs in mass production. 3. Checking materials and selecting ink. Next, we inspect the chosen printing material, whether it's paper sticker, vinyl decal, transparent film, or destructible label. We then select the most suitable type of ink, such as UV, eco-solvent, or resin-based, depending on the material. 4. Adjusting print speed and ink density. Before bulk printing, we fine-tune the print speed and ink density settings to ensure proper color, sharpness, and smudge-free results. This step is essential to avoid errors and reduce waste. 5. Test print and quality check. We begin with a test print to check if everything looks perfect. Our technician compares the test print with the original file, verifying color, alignment, and accuracy. Only when the result meets the standard, we proceed to full-scale production. 6. Post-print quality control. Once printing is complete, products move to our QC department. Here, every item is inspected again for layout accuracy, color consistency, smudges, missing labels, and more. Only items that pass 100% of our quality standards are approved for packing. 7. Packing and delivery. Approved products are neatly packed, sorted by order, labeled clearly, and prepped for delivery. We hand over the goods to the client with a commitment to quality and on-time delivery. Behind every printed label is a quiet team of people who care. We believe that when you place your trust in us, you receive more than a label. You receive peace of mind and a deep respect for your brand's value. Let us walk with you in every product, every detail that matters. Don't forget, subscribe to our channel for more real production insights and practical tips. Leave a comment below if you need help with your printing. Our technical team is happy to support you.